Welcome to our walkthrough video for the white label reports and report templates setup. There's two ways to run a site audit in SEOptimer. The first way is to run a quick audit from the header, which uses SEOptimer's default settings and branding. The second way is to create a white label report, which, as the name suggests, allows you to white label and fully customize the report, as well as download PDFs and share report URLs. To do this, add the URL in this field here, which then adds it to the following table for easy tracking. Each white label report can then be viewed in web or in PDF white label mode. Web mode loads the website audit instantly and allows for easy sharing via the URL. All your white label reports will run from our generic non-branded domain, websiteauditserver.com, which can be white labeled as discussed later. Running a PDF version of the report takes a bit longer, but provides you with a PDF that can be saved and shared with clients or prospects. You'll notice in the PDF view that SEOptimer branding has been removed. The report is using the default report template, which by default is blank, but can then be customized to include your branding and settings. The Report Templates page is where you can customize your white label reports in depth. Under the General Settings tab, you can change your report language. Our tool currently supports 28 languages. You can also customize the scoring type used in the report between grade scoring, A to F, or numeric scoring, 0 to 100. Next, you have the option to show or hide in-depth details and expandable explainer text, which shows more information about each check. If you click on the Header tab, you can customize your report templates even more. Begin by uploading your agency logo and filling in your agency name, contact details, address, and website URL. All of this information will be visible in your reports in the top right corner. Next, you can choose to show or hide both the report title text and the introduction paragraph. You can even choose to show these elements with custom text. So for instance, we can change the report title to something like SEO Report 4, and then we insert the user's domain URL, which will then dynamically change for each report. On the Checks and Sections tab, you can turn on or off the different types of checks, as well as show or hide the recommendations and priority labels in your website reports. So if you only want to show on-page SEO results, keyword rankings, and usability results, you can easily disable the other checks. The next section deals with changing the colors and fonts of your reports. You can change the background color of your report pages and section headers, as well as the text and hyperlink colors. You also have the option to choose between a range of fonts for header and body text. Note, you can preview your changes to the template or save your settings at the bottom of the page at any stage during the customization process. You can also create up to 3 different report templates and customize each one accordingly, then choose from these in the White Label Reports page. The Technical tab is where you can add a favicon for your web-based reports, as well as a title text and meta description. If you plan to share your audit reports, you can white label the domain and change it from our generic domain to a white label domain that you own. The Domain Settings page lets you set the URL where your white label and embedded reports are shown. This hides SEOptimer branding and gives your clients a more seamless experience. You have 2 choices. You can either set a custom subdomain on our generic domain, like agencyreports.websiteauditserver.com, or you can completely white label the domain to something like reports.marketingagency.com. Using your own domain, however, does require you to add a CNAME record. That concludes our walkthrough video on how to change white label reports and templates. Thanks for watching and using SEOptimer for your SEO needs. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on social media for the latest SEOptimer product updates and SEO news.